Hello all respected viewers. Today in this video lecture we will see resolution of forces chapter, and in resolution of forces chapter we will see numerical. So in this numerical we will calculate alpha and beta angle. This is force F and this F1 and F2. F1 and F2 both are oblique components of this force F. See, oblique components both F1 and F2 are given quantities, but see, we will find alpha and beta here. So before that, first we will read numerical. A force of 100 Newton is resolved into two components of magnitude 200 Newton each. Determine the angle between the components and the force. So this F force magnitude is 100 Newton, and both oblique components, F1 oblique component magnitude is 200 Newton and F2 oblique component magnitude is also 200 Newton. And angle between F and F1 is alpha, and angle between F and F2 are beta. So alpha and beta will be our calculated like alpha and beta we will calculate. So just see how I will solve this numerical. So component wait component F1. So you all know that F1 component formula. F1 is equal to F1 oblique component is equal to that F force multiplied by sine of angle between F and F2. Angle between that force F and like different component. Now we are calculating F1 component, but we will consider in numerator angle between F and F2. Sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. So see here, F1 is already given quantity, it is 200 Newton. F is also given quantity 100 Newton. So beta will be our objective, and alpha also. So just write here sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. And see, mathematically 200 upon 100 is equal to sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. So 200 upon 100 is equal 2 is equal to sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. Consider it as 1. Now next what we will do, we will find F2 component. Just see how I am solving it. So F2 component is equal to that force F upon angle between F and F1. So sine of, not angle between F and F2, angle between F and F1. So angle between F and F1 is alpha upon sine of alpha plus beta. So in denominator both angle will come. So this F2 is 200 Newton. F2 is also 200 and F1 is also 200. So F2 is 200 and F is 100. So sine alpha upon sine of alpha plus beta. So 200 upon 100, mathematically it will be 2 is equal to sine of alpha upon sine of alpha plus beta. So consider this as 2. So just see here, 2 is equal to sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta, and 2 is equal to sine of alpha upon sine of alpha plus beta. So just compare 1 and 2, because see, 2 is equal to and 2 is equal to. So from 1 and 2, we are able to write sine of beta is equal to sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. And sine of alpha upon sine of alpha plus beta. So this will get cancelled. So sine of beta is equal to sine of alpha. So here see, beta is equal to alpha. Consider this as 3. So now beta and alpha both are equal angle, but see, even though we don't know their degree, like how much it is, so how to solve this degree? See here, sine of alpha beta is equal to alpha. So what we will do, alpha is equal to beta, considering equation 1, equation 1 again becomes so 2 is equal to sine of beta. Just I am writing here that equation, 2 is equal to sine of beta upon sine of alpha plus beta. So see here, due to equation 3, it is beta is equal to alpha. So 2 is equal to sine of beta, take as it is, but convert this alpha into beta, because see, alpha beta is equal to alpha, that means alpha is equal to beta. So the sine of beta plus beta is sine of 2 beta. Sine of beta upon sine of 2 beta. So what will happen here? Sine of beta is equal to sine of beta is equal to 2 into sine of 2 beta. So sine of beta is equal to 2 into sine of 2 beta. So formula is 2 sine of beta into cos of beta. So sine of beta is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Sine of beta into cos of beta. So this sine beta will get cancelled. Mathematically it will be 1 by 4 is equal to cos of beta. So beta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 4. So your beta will get, like, just solve it with the help of engineering calculus. Shift cos inverse of 1 by 4. It is 75.522. So your beta is 75.522 degree, and see equation 3, beta is equal to alpha, but beta is equal to alpha, so beta is equal to 75.522 degree, so alpha also 75.522 degree. So our objective completed here. This alpha is 75.522 degree and beta is 75.522 degree. So just see how we calculated this numerical. Our solving methodology, just see, first we consider both formulas f1 and f2 formulas, then we equate f1 f2 formulas, like see here. First we calculated component f1, sorry, here component f1, then we calculated component f2, then we equate both of them f1 f2, then we get beta alpha is equal to beta. Then thereafter we consider only one formula, f1 component formula. We put in that f1 formula alpha is equal to beta, and like that way we solve this angle alpha beta. So just see, let's just understand steps, understand solving methodology, those, and like remembering formulas, those things are necessary while solving numericals. Just don't jump towards solving. Before that, understand thoroughly what is numerical, what, like, given data, what is given data, like what we will need to calculate, how to calculate. Those things are important. So thank you very much.